Welcome to the Stock Market Daily News Podcast. Today is February 19th, 2026. Let's rewind to yesterday's close and get you caught up on all the action that moved the markets. Major U.S. indexes saw some choppy trading. The S&P 500 finished down just over 0.1% at 4,934. The Dow Jones slipped about 0.3%, settling at 37,120. The tech-heavy Nasdaq edged lower by 0.2, closing at 15,526. Appetite for risk is shifting, and after yesterday, all eyes are on short sellers, tech stocks, and key earnings. Let's get into the top stories every trader and investor needs to know this morning. First up, short sellers are back in force and tech stocks are square in the crosshairs. Diligent Market Intelligence reports that last year saw a 55% surge in short-selling campaigns, mainly targeting U.S. tech companies riding the artificial intelligence wave. Example, AppLovin, an ad tech company, saw its stock plunge nearly 40% this year. Struggling software giants like Salesforce and Oracle have fueled doubts about sky-high valuations in AI, creating opportunities and risk for bears and bulls alike. For investors, that's a strong signal to scrutinize tech balance sheets and watch for increased volatility as 2026 unfolds. Turning to India, IT stocks are under pressure as AI threatens to reshape the sector's business model. Brokerages Nomura and UBS argue the current sell-off could be overdone. While some pain is front-loaded now, both firms point out that high cash flows and dividend yields should create a price floor. Top picks cited include Infosys and Coforge. The big question? How quickly can traditional IT giants adapt to AI and shift business models? For global investors, it's a critical moment to gauge resilience among emerging market tech players. On the crypto front, U.S. digital asset holders are bracing for tax season turbulence as new IRS reporting rules roll out. The new Form 1099-DA requires crypto brokers like Coinbase to report proceeds from all crypto transactions. Many investors are worried about tax penalties as the forms won't capture key data like original purchase price, leading to confusion and the potential for errors. The takeaway? Crypto traders should keep meticulous records and expect more IRS scrutiny in the months ahead. Meanwhile, Wells Fargo believes the YLO trade could make a comeback. The bank sees up to $150 billion in potential flows hitting Bitcoin and risk assets by late March, driven by larger U.S. tax refunds under the Trump administration's new tax bill. With retail investors flush with cash and sentiment warming, we could see renewed momentum in high-flying stocks and digital assets. But analysts caution, smart money traders are still betting against further upside, especially in crypto markets, where whales continue to accumulate tokens quietly. Let's wrap up with a look ahead. The S&P 500 closed at 4,934. The Dow at 37,120. Nasdaq finished at 15,526. Key trends include the resurgence of short sellers, AI shaking up traditional tech players, and policymakers driving big moves in both stocks and crypto. This week, watch for major earnings reports and keep an eye on the Fed's next policy comments, which could shift market direction again. Don't miss a beat. Subscribe to our podcast, visit our website for more insights, and join us tomorrow for your daily market briefing. Thanks for tuning in to Stock Market Daily News.